My name is Santhia, and I am 34 years old divorcee. I live in a small town with my 2 children, Karthik and Achaya. My daughter, Achaya, who is handicapped and has an inferiority complex. I run a small tailoring shop, known for its beautiful and perfect stitching. One day, a big customer from the city visited my shop. They placed an order for 30 dresses needed for a family function and required them within a month. I was thrilled and accepted the challenge with great enthusiasm. I worked tirelessly on the dresses, making sure each one was perfect. I stayed up late and woke up early to get the job done. My children helped me with small tasks, and their support kept me motivated. Despite the long hours, I was determined to complete the order on time. When the customer came to collect the dresses, they were very pleased. They praised my work and expressed their gratitude. This positive feedback was incredibly encouraging and made me think about the future possibilities. A few weeks later, the customer offered me a new opportunity. They were starting a boutique in the city and wanted me to be their main tailor. They promised a higher salary and better prospects than my current job. I was excited about this offer and accepted it gladly. As I started working at the boutique, I began to think about opening my own boutique someday. I enjoyed working in the city and felt that having my own boutique would be a wonderful achievement. However, I realized that I needed to improve my English skills to communicate effectively with city customers. With this new goal in mind, I began saving money from my earnings. I knew that starting my own boutique would require a significant investment. I carefully set aside a portion of my salary each month to reach my financial goal. I decided to focus on learning English to prepare for my future boutique. I knew that being fluent in English would help me manage my business more effectively. I started by practicing English with my children who were learning the language at school. Their assistance was very helpful. While searching for resources, I discovered a YouTube channel called English in 100 Days. The channel offered lessons and basic English stories. I began watching the videos regularly. The simple and clear lessons helped me improve my English skills gradually. Learning English was challenging. There were times when I felt frustrated and discouraged by my progress. Pronunciation and grammar were difficult, and I made many mistakes. Despite these challenges, I stayed committed to my goal of becoming fluent in English. Over time, I noticed improvements in my English skills. I became more confident in speaking and understanding the language. This progress gave me the assurance that I could handle the communication needs of running my own boutique. With my improved English and saved money, I began planning to open my own boutique. I envisioned a stylish and elegant space that would attract customers. I carefully thought about the design and layout, and I made sure to use my tailoring skills to create a unique experience for my clients. Finally, the day came when I opened my boutique in the city. I named it Santhia Boutique. The boutique was a small but charming place, and I was excited to welcome customers. I hoped that my hard work and savings would pay off. Seeing my boutique, Achaya started to smile more, and this made me very happy. My boutique was a success in the city. Many customers loved my designs and returned for more. I was thrilled to see my dream coming true. However, I had bigger aspirations. I wanted to showcase my boutique to the world. One day, I learned about a boutique exhibition that was going to be held in the city. This exhibition was a big event where boutiques from all over the world would participate. I saw this as a perfect opportunity to present my work on a global stage. I decided to participate in the exhibition. I began preparing a special collection of dresses that I believed would impress the judges and visitors. I also practiced my English presentation, as I wanted to communicate confidently with international visitors. The day of the exhibition arrived, and I set up my booth with care. My dresses were displayed beautifully, and I was ready to welcome visitors. I interacted with many people, explaining my designs and the story behind my boutique. Speaking in English was challenging, but I managed well. During the exhibition, my model dress won first place. This recognition was a significant achievement for me. It brought attention to my boutique and helped spread the word about my designs. I was overjoyed and felt proud of my hard work. I gave a speech in English at the exhibition, sharing my journey and the role English played in my success. I talked about the challenges I faced and how learning English helped me achieve my dreams. The audience appreciated my speech, and it further promoted my boutique. Achaya, inspired by my success, started to try new things in her life without any hesitation. Winning the award opened new opportunities for my boutique. I started receiving orders from customers around the world. My business grew, and I was thrilled to see my hard work paying off. Seeing Achaya's newfound confidence was the most rewarding part of my journey. Looking back, I am grateful for the challenges and opportunities that helped me succeed. Learning English was a crucial part of my journey. It allowed me to achieve my goals and grow my business. I plan to continue expanding my business and exploring new possibilities. My children are proud of my achievements, and I am excited about the future. My journey has shown me the importance of perseverance and learning new skills. By improving my English and working hard, I was able to turn my dreams into reality. I look forward to the future with hope and enthusiasm, knowing that I can achieve even more. Seeing my kids' confidence grow and their willingness to try new things has made all my efforts worthwhile. If you want to win like me, subscribe to this channel, English in 100 Days, like and comment on my videos, and you can achieve your dreams too. Thank you.